up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today I'm gonna harvest some lemon drop and Carolina Reaper peppers. And after I finish harvesting, I'm gonna find out how spicy is a Carolina Reaper pepper. So before we start harvesting, I want to show you guys more proof of why we prune our pepper plants. Check out this habanada pepper plant. See it? See how it's just one main stem and it's not bushy at all? It's because we didn't prune it. Let's go over here and check out this lemon drop pepper plant. You see how bushy this pepper plant is? Check it out. Look at all of those peppers. Because more branches equal more peppers. Check that out. Look, check out this jalapeno plant over here. If you can let us know in the comment section if your jalapeno plant look like this without pruning it, please let us know in the comment section. Check it out. See all of these branches? We just harvested some jalapenos from this yesterday. Look at it. Look at this. Super bushy plants. So I just wanted to show you guys this again, just in case you don't believe in pruning your pepper plants makes you harvest more peppers, because for some reason a lot of people don't believe it. So I just wanted to show you guys proof again that it's true. So this is our first time growing lemon drop and Carolina Reaper peppers, so we can't wait to taste them and find out what to do with them. Check it out. Lemon drop peppers. Beautiful. I love finding out how different pepper plants grow. Like this one right here is super prolific. See all of these peppers on this plant? They're everywhere. But this hot burrito pepper plant is super short. Check it out. Like no matter what, this pepper plant will only get 2, maybe 3 feet tall. So that's one thing you learn once you grow a lot of different peppers. All of them don't grow the same. But if you prune them, you will harvest more peppers. Let us know in the comment section if you grew lemon drop peppers this year. So now that I'm done harvesting lemon drop peppers, and I probably will be harvesting more in 2 to 3 days, because all of these will be yellow in 2 to 3 days. Trust me. Now it's time to harvest some Carolina Reaper peppers. So this Carolina Reaper plant is in a 3-gallon container. Check it out. Look at that. Look at that. That looks super spicy. So just from looking at these Carolina Reaper peppers, do you guys think I should try it or not? Look at that. You guys said I shouldn't try it? Okay. I will. I almost forgot. Guess what? We got another Carolina Reaper plant right there. Look like a handful of fire. Now it's time to find out why Carolina Reaper peppers are one of the spiciest peppers in the world. Check that out. You see that? Or should I try the lemon drop pepper? Which one you want me to try? This one or this one? I'm gonna try both, but not at the same time, because then, you know, because if I eat this first, then eat the lemon drop pepper, I'm pretty sure the lemon drop pepper is gonna seem super spicy after that. So I'm gonna definitely have to wait an hour or two or some time before I try the lemon drop pepper. But time is finally here. You remember when we did the ghost pepper challenge? One.
Oh my gosh.
It was at this moment that she knew.
So today, we're gonna find out why these are the spiciest peppers in the world. Got the hiccups. Ooh.
You got the hiccups immediately.
Ooh. Feel like I'm already sweating. Woo! Oh man. Now I know why. These are the hottest peppers in the world. Oh man. Make sure after you're finished dehydrating your peppers that it's super crispy like this. See how it just breaks? That's how you know it's ready to turn into powder.